First, open the box. Of course. Joke. Okay, open the box. There. Open the box. And then lights. Lights. Yeah. So, get the extension wire. This white one. Plug it here. Plug it in here. So you have the power. And then, first, get the box. For instruments, put to the instruments. For the singers, there it is here. Okay, so find the singer's wire. It says mic. Find this one and pull it. Pull and give to delta again. Yeah. This is the wire for the mics. Yeah. So here. So that one there. So that's the wire for the mics. Let's go back to the box. So find the wire of instruments. Instruments is here. Instruments. Okay. Find this one. Pull it slowly. Instruments slowly, because some wires are together. So you can find there's a instruments. So put that one here together. The next one for the speakers. Okay, let's find the speakers. Speaker wire. So find this one, the yellow one. This one, the yellow. Get it? It says the yellow one. The yellow one is for the right speaker. So place it on your right. And then the green one left. So this one put to your left. Okay, this is the wires for the speakers. Left, right, yellow, green. So we go to the left speaker there. Okay, here's there again.
I'm all in the
Yeah. And then you need to take out this wire, the first keyboard wire. Pull it. Get that wire from there, and then you can see the wire is connecting here. So you need to pull it out. Okay, and then after pull it out, place it here. Next, take out this speaker. Same wire here. Pull it out, this one. Plug it out. So plug it out, this one there, and then there are two wires. So plug it out again. Plug it out, this one. So hold this one. Hold that one. Place it here. Before the speaker wire, you put it here. Find the other side. This one. connect it. You pull it out here. You pull it out there. Connect them together. Connect them together. Connect them together. There you are. So just leave it. This one standby to plug it here. Use this extension for this speaker. Okay, standby, don't plug it in. So find the last wire. This one you plug it here, right? Okay, so find it here, right? And this wire, you remember the green one to the box? Plug it there. This is the green one. Let go and get it again. So here, get it. This one, plug it to the green wire, left speaker. Okay, plug it in. Wait, plug it in. There you go, plug it in. So you're done. Go to the left, to the right cable. So this is speaker. This is speaker. This is speaker. Not that speaker. This is speaker. From here, you need to pull it out. I pulled it out already. So this speaker need to connect to the yellow lane. Okay, right side. Connect. There you go. Let's connect again. So this power, this speaker, you can connect it at this extension, the main extension. Okay. Okay. Oh. So first you need to do to the machine. You already prepared the mics for the singer, for the instruments. Just connect the instruments there. Instruments. So you need to first to power the machine. Power up first the amp. Power up. Wait the sound. And then okay, next power your mixer here. There you go. Let's power up. It's already powered. Okay, so we need to check need to power up the speaker. We go to the left speaker. So you stand by this one here, right? So power it up here. Okay. If you hear that sound, you need to pull it up straight. Pull it up again. So let's do it again. So there's nothing else about that. Just do it again. Okay, there's no sound. Plug it in. It will be like that. There's no sound. So let's go to the right. right speaker, the right speaker, plug it in here, plug it in anywhere, just plug it in. Same. You can check. There's a light. So if you need to put it the wire of the instrument, you need to check the instrument, plug it in the output before you put it all there. Plug it in the output. Here, the output. Output. And then get the first keyboard. First keyboard. Hold it, the first keyboard. This is the first keyboard from that box. First keyboard to the input 1. Not yet powered, not yet powered. If you are using the keyboard to, you need to get the keyboard to wire. Here, you need to pull it out. This is the keyboard, second keyboard. Okay, second keyboard. So we need to pull it out here. Second keyboard. Put it. Second input. Put it in. There you go. So if everything's okay, you need to get now the extension. So plug it in the extension. Okay. So it power on. So check the volume. This is the output volume. Output volume. This output volume. So we need to go up. This one is down. Check your mic. Output. It will be connected. Okay. Mic. The output. Connected. Or then import everything and then power up. Okay. Remember this extension. With this extension, you need to plug it in. Plug it in, follow the wire. You need to plug it in that one. There. Here. You need to plug it in. Here. One space. Okay. There you go. Everything is set. This one. The speaker. This is the mic. Mic extension. Okay. So now it's okay. You need to check the volume. So everything is on powered. You need to pull it to the standard place. See, you heard the sound. Now it's working. So everything is set. This one's no need to touch. This is standard settings already. Singer's instrument. So adjustment for the instrument. Volume of the keyboard 1. Volume of the keyboard 2. So everything is okay. The mic just need to set up. Just checking the mic settings. Okay, we're done. Later again for the closing.